Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SoundCloud not loading properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So the first fix here is to check the SoundCloud server status. So open up a web browser and go to Google, type in SoundCloud server status and just go ahead and check out any of the top results. So we can go ahead and click onto help.soundcloud. Click on I accept and we can see the status if it's operational or not. So as you can see, it's all operational on my end. Now the next fix here is to check internet. So try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, even restart your modem or router. Now if you're running any VPNs in the background or proxies, go ahead and disable them because they cause these issues as well. Now another fix is to force close SoundCloud. So just go ahead and click on close all apps on an Android. Another fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So go ahead and click on and hold down SoundCloud, click onto I, and that's going to take you into app info. Then scroll down, check for storage, and then go ahead and clear the app cache. Now we can go ahead and go to our Play Store as well. Click on search, type in SoundCloud. Once you're inside SoundCloud, if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest just uninstalling the app and then go ahead and reinstall it, restart your phone